In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage collections in Base44. Let's get started right from the Base44 workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and inside the app where you want to work with collections. From your workspace, look for the area labeled Task Flow or a similar task-related view. This is typically where you'll see your tasks and any related collections or data structures that support them. Once you're in Task Flow, you have two main ways to begin. If you already know what you want to create or manage, you can start by typing or describing what you want in the input area or search bar provided. This is helpful when you're looking for a specific collection or when you want to quickly jump to a particular set of data related to tasks. If you prefer to navigate visually instead of typing, you can head to the dashboard. Look for the dashboard option in the main navigation. Clicking on Dashboard will show you an overview of your app, including different modules and data sections, so you can easily find where collections are managed. From the dashboard, locate and click on the section labeled Data. This is where Base44 stores and organizes all of the underlying collections that power your app, such as tasks, projects, or any other custom entities you've set up. Think of the data section as the database view of your application. Inside the data area, look for the task collection and click on it. The task collection is where individual task records are stored and managed. By opening this collection, you'll be able to see existing entries, review their details, and prepare to add new items as needed. To create a new item within this collection, click on the Add button. This opens a form or panel where you can enter the details for your new task or collection entry. Take a moment to fill out all the relevant fields carefully, such as the task name, description, status, due dates, or any custom fields you've configured. The more accurately you complete this form, the easier it will be to manage and filter your collection later. When you're done entering the information, click on Submit. This saves your new entry into the task collection. After submitting, your new item should appear in the list, and from there you can sort, filter, or update it as part of your ongoing collection management in Base44.